Finish him!
Hi guys, and welcome to the Gaming with Shorge. So let's get on to it. So for today, I wanted to play something that I haven't played in a long time, especially since it was very hard. So I have right now downloaded what you call Flappy Bird. Let's start playing Flappity Flaps. So this is like Flappy's back. Because it was really hard before, so now it's very easy, let's say. So let's play the easy level. I was already playing a little bit before, so my best on the easy I believe is like 40 something. And yes, I just downloaded it today. So anyway, so let's do it. So one. Okay, so far so good. So this is what you call a little bit easier than the first one. I remember when I first got it, like this thing was so hard. It was so frustrating. So easy level. It's pretty easy as of right now. Oh, go down, go down. Oh my goodness. I almost crashed. Oh! Dang it, I crashed at 27! That's good. So there's ads on this new Flappy's back. Now let's go ahead and try the medium one. So medium Flappy ready. Okay, let's see what the medium has to offer. Oh, what? Oh, I just died. It's only the second time. Oh, damn bird. Alright, let's try one more time. Okay, this is a little bit harder than I thought. Damn ads, they're everywhere. Just ads and ads. Ah! This is a little bit hard. So the medium's pretty hard. I'm only able to get from 1 to 2. I mean 3. So my best on medium has been 6. Nice. Okay, 2. I barely touched that. Damn it. Okay, let's try one now. Okay, that was just my dumb mistake.
Time is the overseer of all things.
Oh my. Damn you, Flappy Bird. This medium level is like, might as well just be the hard level. Almost. Stuck. Get an extra life each game. Oh hell no, I'm not buying it. And more
Come to a land of legend and warfare.
Alright. Ah! Okay, so I'm 7 best. My best is 7 as of right now on the medium levels. Let's go now and play the hard one. See what's this one all about. Game. This is how this game was when it first came out. Okay. Oh my goodness! It's 4. Now my best is 4. So I haven't played the hard one. Ah! Died. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous! Damn you, Flappy Bird. Oh my goodness. Ah! I did it! I did. Ah! Okay. It was just by 2, but I did it. I beat my best. This is so ridiculous. Alright, menu. And let's try now impossible. I like how there's a level called impossible after hard. Impossible. Let's see if I can beat this impossible. Oh, I have best out of 3 on it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This game is just annoying by default. So let's try to be the best on this impossible level. Alright, so I'm back 44. So I get. It's just for a regular human being that can't pass the regular level. This is just fun. Damn it! Alright, let's try one more time. One more time. Try to pass this level. And if I can't, I'm done with this thing. Impossible level, round 100. Alright, well. That's it. I'm over this. I'm over this game! Thank you guys for watching this video. It was pretty fast, I know, but that's because I have no time right now to make a longer video. Please guys, like, subscribe. So I'll see you guys next week for another episode of Short.